another way to charge the body with energy. Absolutely. Practicing yoga can be an excellent way to charge your body with energy. Here are some ways yoga can help boost your energy levels. Yoga. Yoga is a way of life. The benefits of asana. A. Are static. B. They are relaxing. C. Stretching helps nerves, blood vessels, tendons and muscles. D. The rotation speed of the chakras is optimized, the energy circulates evenly, and the body will work like a factory at maximum capacity. E. The physical body between heaven and earth is constantly bombarded by cosmic energy and the earth's energy, yin and yang. F. The body works at maximum capacity if the 72,000 nadis that are supposed to be in the human body are clean, and the energy circulates fluently through all the nadis. G. The static asana help the heart not to be overstressed, as with exaggerated physical efforts. H. The practice of asana increases the body's energy, increasing the aura of the body outside up to several meters, helping people with low energy. I. Each chakra has specific benefits for the body. Some examples. Muladhara chakra controls the physical body. Bija mantra Lam. Swadhisthana chakra balances sexual energy and desires and helps with creation and imagination. Bija mantra Vam. Manipura chakra helps to control and detach from the material world. Bija mantra Ram. Anahata chakra unconditional love, to help people unlimitedly without asking for anything in return. The ultimate is to die in the place of another person. Bija mantra Yam. Vishuddha chakra color blue, controls time and helps to understand that time does not exist. Bija mantra Ham. Ajna chakra, the third eye, color white, gives intuition, clear vision, and telepathy. Bija mantra Aum. Sahasrara chakra makes the connection with the absolute supreme God. Bija mantra Om. Sun salutations. Start your yoga practice with a sun salutation, Surya Namaskar. This dynamic pose sequence helps warm the body, increases blood circulation, and awakens energy. Energizing poses. Incorporate energizing yoga poses into your practice. Poses like Warrior 2, Virabhadrasana 2, Tree Pose, Vrikshasana, Camel Pose, Ustrasana, and Bridge Pose, Setu Bandhasana, can help invigorate the body and stimulate energy flow. Breathwork. Practice pranayama techniques such as Kapalabhati, skull shining breath, or Bhastrika, bellows breath. These active breathing exercises help oxygenate the body and increase prana, life force, flow. Dynamic flow. Engage in a dynamic yoga flow or vinyasa sequence that involves continuous movement, linking breath with movement. Flowing through poses like downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana, plank pose, Phalakasana, and Chaturanga, four-limbed staff pose, can build heat and boost energy. Backbends. Incorporate energizing backbends into your practice, such as Cobra pose, Bhujangasana, upward-facing dog pose, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana, or wheel pose, Urdhva Dhanurasana. Backbends open the front body, expand the chest, and increase vitality. Yoga Nidra. Practice Yoga Nidra, also known as yogic sleep, to deeply relax and rejuvenate the body and mind. This guided meditation technique can help restore energy levels and promote overall well-being. Mindfulness and meditation. Incorporate mindfulness and meditation practices into your yoga routine. Focusing on the present moment, cultivating a calm mind, and connecting with your breath can help increase clarity, focus, and energy. Remember to listen to your body and modify poses or sequences based on your abilities and needs. It's always beneficial to practice under the supervision of a yoga instructor, especially if you are new to yoga or have any specific concerns or limitations. Enjoy your yoga practice and the energy it brings. Thank you for watching.